Sir, no audio, sir.
Name @123 equal to Srinivas. Audio is visible or audible or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now tell me name @123 equal to Srinivas. Will not allow. Will not allow anywhere. Why? Because is a special character. Okay. No special characters are going to be allowed without underscore. I already told you. No special characters are not allowed without underscore. Variable can start with underscore, or variable will allow underscore without any special characters. One more point I'm writing. Variable allowed in middle underscore. No special characters. No special characters allowed. No special characters allowed. Okay. No special characters allowed without underscore. Underscore only allowed. No special characters allowed. And one more thing. Whenever you are trying to creating some variable, do not create variable name. Variable name should not be name should not be a keyword. Guys, you know keywords. Some keyword like if keyword, if else keyword, elif keyword, for keyword. Okay, so some keywords are available in the Python. These particular keywords we don't use as a variable name. Variable name should not be a keyword, compulsory. So don't use a keyword for the variable name. Don't use a keyword for the variable name. Please remember it. Okay. So very important. And I'm going to be providing some assignments for you guys. Please create some employee details. Now I'm trying to create some employee details now. So how to create employee details? EMP details program. Let me create some employee details now. Name of the employee. So I'm going to be creating my employee name. Name is Srinivas, and EMP ID, EMP name. First one is EMP name. I'm going to be trying to creating EMP name. EMP ID. EMP ID equal to 1001. EMP salary equal to 1,20,000, and EMP qualification equal to something like I will be provide MCA, and he is graduated or not. Is graduated equal to true. So you can't provide this boolean value we need to provide. Okay. Okay, let me go for now. These are the 4 different variables I am going to be creating. Please understand me how I am writing my variable names. Okay, guys, please remember some rules and regulations. These are the fundamental rules, actually compulsory rules. Rules for variables actually recommended. Nothing but compulsory. We have to follow these particular rules. And the rules for the variables optional. I'm trying to writing some other rules for the variables now. Rules for variables optional. What is optional now? Okay. If you want to become a good programmer, provide a variable name in the proper manner. What is the proper manner? It should be like this. Suppose I am providing employee name. What you need to give is employee name, EMP name. People can understand. Otherwise, EMP underscore name. People can understand. Otherwise, EMP underscore name. People can understand. Or EMP name. Okay. So which is the EN. Okay, E name. Okay, ENA. Okay, which is the understandable? Whenever I'm trying to providing employee name, which is understandable for you?
Second one.
First one. What about first one? Okay, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Okay, fine. But what about this one, fifth one, en? Suppose I provide en equal to something. Somewhere in the program 1000 lines of code is available. Some other person is going to be accessing something. Some other person is going to be accessing some this particular en. They can't understand what this en is. Suppose you are going to be working with the Flipkart product. Okay, product details, PRD name, PRD price, PRD number, okay, PRD identifier, PRD price, something like that. If you are going to be working with the product application, what you need to do? PRD price, something like this. PRD name, PRD identifier, something like this. Okay, this is the good programmer. Good programmer always follow a proper naming convention. Convention is very very important for a good programmer. Okay, that is optional rule actually. Okay, if you are trying to providing en equal to something like iPhone, suppose Srinivas, this is wrong or right? En equal to Srinivas is wrong or right? Code is right
Right,
only.
sir.
Code is true only. Code is not false actually. Again, emp name equal to, so emp name equal to Srinivas. Here Srinivas, here Srinivas. Code is not a problem. Code is not a problem. This is true, this is true. But which is the better one? Comparing to this one and this one, which is the better one? I need to follow. Bad programmer write the program like this. A good programmer write a program like this. If you want to become a good programmer, follow some naming conventions with the program. Okay, from variables onwards, you have to learn how to write program. Okay, so one of my colleague in my company, previous company, iOS developer. So he is writing. So his name is Nageswara actually. He is writing the variable names with n1, n2, n3, n1000, 1200 also. Guys, you please remember it. One big application actually that program is. He is going to be providing the variable names with n1, n2, n3, n1200. Finally, our clients calling. So what is this n1, n2? We don't understand what this n1 and n2. Why? Because he written 1000 lines of code. Later on, some other person is going to be involving with this particular project. Some other person got involved with this particular project. He can't understand what this n1 is, what is n2 is, what this n3 is, what n1200 is. So okay, you are writing a 10 lines program, you are writing a 100 lines program, you are writing a 1000 line program. Please provide some rules and regulations. Naming convention is very very important for you guys. Okay, what is the first rule? Name should be understandable. What are the optional rule? First optional rule is what? Name should be what? Name should be understandable. Name should be understandable. And one more important name. Okay, variable start with small letters. Okay, third important rule. Variable follow better camel case. Are you got to understand? Name should be understandable. Variable should with small letters. Variable follow better camel case. You follow please camel case. Camel case is very understandable one. Okay, any other things are required? But these are the optional actually, not required ones. But required ones are actually these are the things. These are the things compulsory you have to follow, and these are the things actually optionally you have to follow. But my recommendation to you, don't make it as optional. Please make it as recommended. Please make it as recommended. Why? Because if you want to become a good programmer, write a good program. Everybody got to understand what I'm telling, guys? Okay, I'm going to be providing some assignment to you guys today with variables. Okay, after the session, I'm going to be providing with you some assignment. What does that assignment I will put into the WhatsApp group. Please complete that particular assignment with the variables, and tomorrow's session everybody need to be sent. I am going to be providing one simple assignment for everyone. Please submit that assignment tomorrow class, before tomorrow class. Have it clear? Everybody have it clear? Any questions till now?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Today class is very simple class. Okay, just comments and work with variables. That's it. Okay, I will see the program also. You need to follow the rules and regulations of the variable. Prepare the program neat way, neat manner. Okay. I'll give you very simple program assignment. Very simple assignment. It will not take probably 10 more minutes. That's it. Okay. Okay. Good night. We'll meet again tomorrow. 7:30 sharp. Thanks, guys.